right, Saturday, September 27th. Let's check out OKLO and OKLL. So this is a 65% move from 99 to, you can see 140. Did this out here 120. OKLO, but on fire. Started to make moves in April 24, then September, October 2020, January 25, it broke out. Then $60 February, it comes all the way down to this wage and falls hard in April. Then you have the Trump tariffs, low 1742 runs to 70, just like that. A lot of these inner trend lines I have 90, move down, move back up. Here's where the algo picked it up for the breakout. So you want to use the algo alert too before a big breakout. So what was this doing here? It's going back and forth and eventually looking for the break here of 80. So picked it up 73.97 or 70.91 actually. Excuse me. So 80, you go all the way to 140. He has big red candle up here. Now the algo picks it up here. I'm not sure why. I don't know why they don't pick it up here after a run. It's a clear red bearish candle. But anyway, it's here. So you can see, but here's the low to high move. Your low in August, move up again. The low get higher. And then your extreme overbought. You don't buy here. You buy here and buy maybe in the middle here. Weekly chart. Deep move in April. Now you want to play longer swing. Look at the move down. Red over white. We cross over April 17th. He crossed back up. White over red. This is a classic U-shaped recovery. If you're buying down here 20, 30, maybe you're holding it. Yeah, you're playing. See, when you're holding these moves, low to high, 0 to 20, 8,100. You're buying here and you're hoping get a sell around 80. It doesn't have to be perfect, but that's what happened. And then you make big profit in a few months. You want to play it weekly. But you can see the run up here. Then you came back, ran up again, came back, you keep crossing over. Monthly chart, big low in 2024 crossed over. The monthly crossed over in 2025 May, came up. Now look what happens now. You have white over red. To me, I don't think we're going much higher. And it looks like we're crossing over here. And that's why the market too could be in trouble. We get a pullback in October, 5-10%. Will that happen? We'll see. Like, where's this going? Can't go much higher here. 4-hour chart. You need a 4-hour crossover. You're playing the 4-hour. It goes down. You want this to cross and play for at least a small move right there. So let's look at OKLO. Sinuses. Such bad sinuses. Yeah. Okay. OKLO. 16 billion market cap. How come it has no sales? I'm not sure there. 28% insider zone, institutions 38%. Look at the returns, 3-year, 1,000, 1,200, 400%. Incredible. See what they do exactly. Engages development of fission reactors, clean energy through design deployment of fast fission power plants. Company was founded by Jacob DeWitt, Caroline Cochran, July 3rd, 2013. Headquartered in Santa Clara. So fission nuclear. I thought this was AI, or I have no idea why I thought that, but power plants. So let's see what they say here in the news. Inflation data drives weekly losses. Kramer, I think OKLO is a great concept. Wall Street's betting billions on OKLO's nuclear vision. Goldman Sachs cautions investors execs unload. Key insiders are selling OKLO. What else here? Bloom Energy, OKLO, slide analyst, question gains. Yeah, it's a pump. See, I've been doing charting since 2006. One of the first trades I made was SIM, Mexican steel company. I lost like $2,000 like that. No idea what I was doing. Most people get in the market. Like I jumped in at the high. That was the problem. Simple, low, high. It was like it kept going up, but I got it when it was at its peak, literally its peak. So You don't want to buy this at its peak. Now, are all these pump and dumps like these newer companies? Like, who knows? They could turn into a great company, but the chart is pushing it. When the market's strong and you have people pushing these stocks, CNBC analysts, that's how they make their money. So, when this runs like 75 to 140, that is a small window. Like people make gains in a year. This is 2 weeks. That's why people trade. That's the whole point of it. That's why things are pumped. Now, longer term, maybe this will go up, has value. So let's see. What other news? Better artificial intelligence, high risk investment. Does nuclear fission make OKLO high risk? Reward. Nuclear stock is expected to report revenue until 27, but has surged 570%. Yeah, because people are pumping it. Like everything else, RGTI. What's the other ones? QMCO. Just name them. Go through the quantum, go through AI. They're being pumped. It doesn't matter. You make money in a market. You're not investing in these. Maybe if you want to, but I'm not. You invest in like Tesla, Microsoft, people, Apple that have been around forever. With this, you want to trade these and make big bucks. Looking through stock quits and revenue and huge loss, no reason to invest in SCA makes sense there. Max 100, chance taken private or buyout. Money managers will let this fall that easy. Be careful, might just inverse. Major line 130, 140 says. All right, now here's the chart here. So they have February line, inner line. Then you have a wave, then you break pretty much 80, you can say 80, 84, and this is where it goes up. See, once you're long in April, see this going up, steadily up. Is it going down? No, it's not crashing. These are long wave moves of months. And then you get a final crescendo at the end of the move. Now, here it is. You have a support at 80. Maybe this will come to 80. Who knows? Maybe this will chop around, this eventually fade a little here as people are getting out of this. Weekly chart. We see this go up. And I look at a loop and then go up again. Monthly chart. There's a shooting star right there. The wick. So great for trading, great for swing trading. That's what you want. Big moves. 2 weeks, you just went 75 to 140. And we'll see what happens with this now. OKLO, nuclear, big market cap. All right. OKLL. This is the ETF. Now, this is even better to trade because it's cheaper. Algo alert, July, August. And here's the latest one on 9/9. Talking 30, goes to 100. It had to sell again late. There's the sell truly low to high. And look at it come up. 4-hour on this. You're talking, maybe it's 50 straight down. You don't have a crossover yet. Now, if this does crossover, it comes down to say to 50, we bounce. Yeah, I don't think you're just going right to 100. It might go 60, 70. I don't know if it's even going back to 100, anytime soon now. We'll have to see on this once the move is made that large. So we'll watch it. Okay, so OKLO, big run up. So they pump and dumps, not necessarily. Yeah, this is a huge market cap. It's not a penny stock for sure. Longer term, maybe something's good here at nuclear, what they're doing, but trading wise, this is a big fast move. You make profits low, sell high, even short here. And look at that. So you just made profit here. And at 100, you're down to 70, double the profit in that fast amount of time. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. Peace.